Hello everybody and welcome to Durables for Life. Today we're going to be doing quarterback tier list ranking. So basically, we're just doing what everyone else does. Okay. First off, we're going to start out with Alex Smith. Now, Alex Smith. I mean, the Redskins were 6-3, but they have Dwayne Haskins. I don't think he's going to have that much playing time. Oh, by the way, unknown just means, like, not going to do that well. Okay. Josh Allen. I just don't think he's going to have enough playing time behind Dwayne Haskins to actually be full-time starter. So that's why I put him in the unknown guy. Josh Allen. I feel like the rookie season was just like one of those first season in the NFL, like Peyton Manning's first season. I feel like he's gonna do average this season. So I mean 6-10 with the Patriots in your division. Plus, I mean you're the Bills, so you don't have that much talent. So sorry to all you Bills fans out there. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Baker Mayfield. Baker Mayfield's gonna be hard. I'm very split between above average and borderline. I'm doing this on quarterback play, not like not like how good everyone else does. I'm gonna say borderline. Only because he showed a lot of promise last year. Now this is gonna really make people not that happy. The reason I'm putting Big Ben in average, think about it. He doesn't have Antonio Brown anymore. Le'Veon Bell doesn't have a contract with them. He's with the Jets. Juju is not going to lead him to more than like 5,000 yards again. Okay. Steelers fans, you can now click out of the video. Drew Brees, no question. He's in the elite category. He's Drew Brees. Don't shock that. Cam Newton, he got injured. In the middle. I mean, they were doing good, but then he got injured. I'm gonna put him in above average. I mean, he's gonna be 31, I believe. So I think he can do it. I think he can lead the Panthers to the playoffs. Derek Carr. Now, many of you think that it's just because the Raiders were bad this year. They picked up Antonio Brown and Vontaze Burfict. And you're like, ew, it's Vontaze Burfict. He's still good. It's just that the Bengals didn't get him a contract. Actually, I think they released him. I don't know. Something like that. So I'm gonna put him in the above average category. I'm not putting him in the elite category. I'm not putting him in the below average like everyone's gonna be like, ew, it's Derek Carr. He's a good player. Kirk Cousins, I believe that is. It's kind of hard to see his armband. Kirk Cousins. He's still the starter. I believe he's going to go above average. I mean, they would have made it in the playoffs if Daniel Carlson missed that kick. Yeah, I'm just insulting everybody. So I feel like they're going to do above average. Jameis Winston. He's never proven himself as a great starter. I'm not that sure. I don't feel like he's going to turn this team around. I'm going to put him in the unknown category. Dak Prescott. Dak Prescott's going to be in the above average. Because, I mean, he's got Zeke. He's got a good offensive line. I'm not saying he's borderline elite because, like, they didn't gain anyone special. They didn't have the best draft ever. I mean, they gained Jason Witten back, but like, they didn't get anyone like super special. Probably gonna tell me like, oh, but they got some random, like, really good. I'm just not seeing them actually. Sam Darnold. Sam Darnold. I say average. Because he's still working, like, I mean, yeah, you say they got Le'Veon Bell. I'm doing this on quarterback play. So, you can't just count they've got Le'Veon Bell in to do this. I know you're all just like, why is he doing this? So, below average. He's not seeing like really that much playing time unless Josh Rosen gets injured. Josh Rosen gets injured, he's in the unknown. He's probably not gonna. He's gonna have to be put in the below average. Nick Foles. And people are gonna be like, oh, it's Nick Foles, he won a Super Bowl, he's like the best quarterback ever. He's not. He's got Jacksonville now. The Eagles were 11-2. Well, they were technically 10-2, but like they were winning that game. And pretty obvious they're gonna win. So they were 11-2. I'm sure that means 2-1 in playoff games. But still, he had the Eagles team. Not like all Carson Wentz. I want to put him in average. Jared Goff. I'm gonna put him in above average. Cause like, I just feel like he can really just become like, I mean, that horrible 2 Super Bowl performance. I just feel like that was not that well, like a job by Jared Goff. I feel like he went to way better. Now you might say, oh, the Falcons didn't do so well last year. That's because their defense was injured. Their offense was still very, very productive. So, I don't see why. Alright. Jimmy Garoppolo. This is a tough one. I really want to put him here. I want to put him here, but I don't think he deserves it. I want to put him above average. Now, he got injured in week 3. They were 2-1. He did not get injured in like week 9 when they were 3-9. So don't be hating on me. Joe Flacco, not going to see that much playing time. I'm going to put him at unknown. Plus, he's not actually like super good. So yeah. Case Keenum. He's in a string of. He's probably in below average because Alex Smith is better than him, and they've got Dwayne Haskins down there. So I don't feel like he's actually going to be able to do something on that team. That's why I'd throw like 5 passes. Lamar Jackson. I'm going to put him in the average because he hasn't proven himself as a great passer yet. So I don't feel like I can actually put him up there in the above average or borderline elite. So, yes, I don't feel it. Philip Rivers. I'm split between elite and borderline elite. I don't know. I'm gonna put him in borderline elite because he's just not good. Like Drew Brees had something special with the Saints. He did something great, but not super. Oh, Andrew Luck. If there was a between elite and borderline elite, I would put him there. There's not. I don't feel like I can name him as elite yet. I don't feel like he's gonna do like better than 13-3. Astonished that much. I'm gonna put him in borderline elite. Marcus Mariota. Sorry for all your Titans fans. His best season 9-7 or 10-6. I forget what it was. No, it's 9-7. It's 9-7. His worst season's 3-13. So he's not actually that. Plus, he got injured and the last week, but they were gonna lose to the Colts anyways. It's like, yeah, they were just gonna lose. The Bears. Mitch Trubisky. I'm gonna put him above average because he led something good with the Bears. I feel like he can do this again. Don't have to say anything. Okay, yeah, Patrick Mahomes, obviously elite talent. He was just such an amazing season. He had such an amazing season. I don't feel like any other category would be necessary to put him in. Is that right, Eli? Andy Dalton. Andy Dalton is. I want to put him in either of these categories. I'm gonna put him in unknown because like he's Andy Dalton and he hasn't won a playoff game in his entire existence. He 6-10. He just doesn't. He's just not like the best quarterback on this. Russell Wilson. I am split. I mean, they lost all their receivers except for Tyler Lockett. I really want to put him above average. But I still think, like, he's going to be throwing good passes, but, like, they're just not going to be, like, as well done without Doug Baldwin. And their team record's going to decline because they lost a bunch of people on defense, too. So, yeah. But I still think his quarterback plays going to be really good. I think he's a borderline elite quarterback. If we judge on overall play, he's there. If we judge on how he's actually going to play, he's there. Think about this. Aaron Rodgers did not play good in 2018. I don't really. What you say, think about it. He lost to the Cardinals. Unless he got injured. I don't know if it was this year he got injured or last year. But either way, he still lost to the Bears in week 1 because I know he played that game. So, I'm not sure. Like, I don't want to put him in borderline elite or elite. I'm just going to put him in above average because I don't think he's an average quarterback. He's still good, but he's not like as good as he is. I mean, he hasn't reached the playoffs since 2016, so I just don't feel like he can recreate that. Josh Rosen. Unlike many of you think, I would have, like, after the 2018 season, I would have put him here. Many of you would have put him there, but he has a horrible offensive line. This season, I'm putting him there. In unknown. So, Matt Stafford. I want to put him in average. Now, many of you think, and you might ask yourself, or actually, you might just say, that's good. But 6-10, throwing 5 picks in the game against the Jets in week 1. I just don't. If you're a backup, you're not going to get that much playing time. He's Tom Brady. If he's not in the elite category, and many people think, like, oh, they lost Gronk, they're going to lose the Super Bowl, or, like, not make it to the Super Bowl this year. Well, I mean, last year they lost Brandon Cooks. They reached the Super Bowl, so I don't think it's that much. You might also say, like, oh, they lost Nate Solder. Deshaun Watson. I really want to put him in above average. Because, like, his offensive line just couldn't create anything, like, create a pocket for him. He couldn't do it because, like, he got sacked. So that's why I'm putting him in above average. Carson Wentz, I really want to put in borderline. So I will. But, because Carson Wentz really, like, he did lead the Eagles to 11-2 start. And that's really good. He just hasn't been able to stop the injury train. I mean, the 2017 season, he got injured. 2018 season, he got injured. If he gets rid of the injury bug, I feel like he can be borderline elite. Dwayne Haskins, even though he's a rookie, I'm going to put him in the average tier. Because I feel like he was so dominant in college, I feel like he can just win it all. Well, win games, sorry. I was thinking about college, like, next year, but I know he's not in college anymore, so. Isn't that right, Eli? So, Drew Lock. I because like he wasn't like he's not like the most talented quarterback in the draft. He's also a rookie. He's playing on the Broncos, which no offense, they're not actually like the best team. I mean, like it depends. I'm not going to share what the best team is. Bengals. I'm just kidding. Sorry, Bengals fans. I'm just insulting everyone today. Let's see. Kyler Murray. Kyler Murray, I'm gonna put him in the. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna put him in the. I'm gonna put him in the average. I mean, he's still on the Cardinals. I mean, Larry Fitz is really declining. They still don't have offensive line. I feel like he can still do average though. Daniel Jones. It's no. I can't even put this. I think it's a 6 stuck there. Okay. Daniel Jones. I think the unknown category. Actually, he's starting. Actually, Eli's starting, but I don't think so. So this was terrible. So this is the tier. This is the tier. Drew Brees, Pat Mahomes, and Tom Brady in the elite tier. Baker Mayfield, Matt Ryan, Phillip Rivers, Andrew Luck, Russell Wilson, and Carson Wentz in the borderline elite tier. Above average of Cam Newton, Derek Carr. No, man. Kirk Cousins, Dak Prescott, Jared Goff, Jimmy Garoppolo, Mitch Trubisky, Aaron Rodgers, and not Dak Prescott, Deshaun Watson. In the average tier, Kyler Murray. Why do I do this? Why do I just keep forgetting Dwayne Haskins? No, why do it? Matt Stafford. Marcus Mariota, I'm sorry. Lamar Jackson, Nick Foles, Sam Darnold, Big Ben, and Josh Rosen. In the unknown, I'm going to put Alex Smith, Jameis Winston, Joe Flacco, Andy Dalton, Josh Rosen, and Drew Lock. Daniel Jones, in the low average, we have Daniel Jones, Ryan Tannehill, Case Keenum, Ryan Fitzpatrick. And